This White-Rodgers Emerson 1F86-344 thermostat focuses on straightforward, non-programmable operation that is ideal for people who just want to set a temperature and leave it alone. The large, backlit digital screen uses big, high-contrast numbers that are easy to read from across the room and in low-light conditions. It is designed to work reliably with many common single-stage heating, cooling, and heat pump systems, making it a practical replacement option in older and newer homes alike. Temperature control is impressively precise, with tight accuracy that keeps rooms feeling consistent instead of drifting warmer or cooler over time. The housing has a traditional, unobtrusive look with a standard mounting footprint, so it usually covers marks from older thermostats and installs cleanly on the wall. Backed by long-standing HVAC expertise and a solid manufacturer warranty, this thermostat is built for dependable, long-term performance rather than flashy extras.